Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I am going to show you how to add printer to OrcaSlicer. So let's get straight into it. Now, first, what we are going to do is probably the best thing is you are probably right here. So open one project if you have it. This is the easiest way to do so. So now we are in the project. Check on this left hand side menu and find printer section right here. Now here you will see two buttons. So this one uh, we are not using right now, so this is for connection. This one here is for us, so with this button it will open the library of 3D printers that you can select from different makers. So I think uh, probably you will have one of these printers next to you. So when you find it, just click on it and then confirm. Now what we can do here also is connected. So this blue-green button here, you will see that you can now select host upload. So host type, print agent, host name, IP or URL, and set some other settings to connect with OrcaSlicer. And this is pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.